I think I would highly recommend the summer programs as both a place for learning the language and connecting with people. I think that, I guess, one of the most amazing things about being in this field really is the people and the people working within it. I think any opportunity that people have to reach out to others who are working in the field, just to not hesitate to do that, because that's one of the real joys about working in this field, this small field of scholars working on Yiddish material is again, that genuine excitement that you find when you find somebody else working on Yiddish.